Do me a favor. Close your eyes and imagine something for me. You're driving down a winding yet beautiful road. The sun is shining, music is blasting. You look down and realize you have less than a quarter of a tank of gas left. It's time to make a decision. Do you take the next exit or test the fates and wait it out a little longer to capture more of this moment? If you wait, you may find yourself stuck in the middle of the road with no help in sight. Just like it's smart to plan ahead before taking a road trip, your shop should be prepared to plan for the next steps after you decide to step down. This is called succession planning. Let's talk about why it's so important next. Succession planning means you should prepare for the transition of leadership in your business. While it may seem years away, a lack of focus on succession planning leaves you and your business helpless to uncertainty. Don't think of your shop as just a business. Think of it as your legacy that has been built from your reputation and customer relationships. Without a plan in place, your shop's future is uncertain. Imagine not having a plan in place in an event of an unexpected circumstances like an illness or even death. Having a solid succession plan means the business can continue to operate without you, preserving its reputation and serving customers without interruption. What should a succession plan include, though? Most people think it simply identifies who will run the business when the owner is gone, but it's so much more than that. Succession planning should involve creating a roadmap for the future, and is the process of identifying the important positions in your shop and developing a plan for individuals who assume those positions when needed. Your succession plan will be successful if you include the following 4 components. First, create a current organizational chart with key skills. The chart should include top performers, critical roles, and the skills required for each position, and a plan for how you will recruit new talent. Second, identify ongoing training and development for current and future technicians. You want your shop's reputation and known expertise to continue, even after you're gone. Find opportunities to help your staff with ongoing training and development to help fill knowledge gaps when they occur. Ongoing training could also promote loyalty from staff members you want to see stay with the business, even after you're gone. Third, make sure you're not the only person at your business with access to important information. This starts with bank accounts and contracts. If you haven't already, designate critical employees as secondary resources for your shop's lawyer or CPA in case you aren't available, and make sure all of your records are up to date and accessible to those you designate. Fourth, establish a plan for when you exit the business, no matter the scenario. If you decide to exit the business on your own terms, that could mean selling it, merging with another company that allows you to step down, or retiring. Regardless, you eventually will exit your business. With that being said, what is your succession plan? What happens to the business assets, IP, customer lists, and employees? If you haven't developed a plan yet, now would be the time to start answering those questions. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.